All right, 8th grade scholars. So today we are working on inequalities, specifically trying to solve for the variable and then graphing it on a number line. All right, so the first problem we can do together, and they're all exactly the same. So what you need to do, first figure out what your variable is. So our variable is n right here. And we see that we have like terms over here. These two are like terms, so we can combine them. So it is just negative 5n plus 2n. Remember, when you are doing either addition or subtraction with variables and their coefficients, all you do is add or subtract the coefficients. So this would be negative 5 plus 2 should give us 3 is greater than negative 3n. All right, and obviously we still need to isolate our variable. So since this is multiplication, the opposite of that is division. And we divide, and what we do to one side of the sign, we do to the other. So now we divide by negative 3. And now we should have negative 1. And this is a good step as well. When we are dividing by a negative across the inequality sign, that's when we have to switch the sign. So we're switching the sign now. So our final answer would be negative 1 is greater than n. All right, so right here we can find our negative 1. All right, but the same thing as, right, n is less than negative 1. So n would be less than negative 1. Remember, it's going in the deeper into the negatives. These are smaller numbers technically. All right. Okay, so that is our answer for number 1. And number 2. Oh, actually, a quick little addition to this. If it is not equal to right here, I forgot about this, it will be an open circle. An open circle. All right, then if it is equal to, it will be a closed circle. All right, so number 2 really quick. So just another quick example. Same thing, we have our like terms. So circle those. 6x plus 6x, 12x plus 2 is greater than 14. Now we can subtract 2 from this side, because again, we're trying to isolate that variable. Subtract 2 from this side, and we get 12. So 12x is less than 12. Now to get the variable by itself, we must divide, because this is again a multiplication operation. And we divide, so x is less than 1. And again, it is not equal to, so it'll be an open circle. All right, and x is less than 1, so we got to go in the negative direction again, the negative direction. Okay, so here are 2 brief examples for you. And if you'd like to copy this down, your teacher can pause the screen here. All right, but for the rest of these, they're all very similar. They do get a little harder. Just remember, when there's a number right here, that's when we do distributive property. But another hint for you, when you're subtracting something here, you distribute the negative 6. So you distribute a negative 6 in this situation. All right, and again, if you divide by a negative, you switch the sign. All right, good luck, scholars, and I'm sure y'all can do this, but again, STAR is about 12 days away now, so it's really important we get our focus and work hard on these problems. All right, thanks, scholars.